Hi guys, welcome back to Sam Gates Technical Tinkering. Today we're going to install Nvidia drivers. I just downloaded or installed Ubuntu 20.04 and updated it. And it's asking to restart later or restart now. If you don't get this message, you can just click Software Update and go into the settings. And there's a couple tabs up top. You want to click Additional Drivers, and it'll search for available drivers. And you can choose whatever package you want. We're going to use the first one, and we're going to click Restart. It's as simple as that. Restart. Let it reload. And I'm doing a dual boot, so get back into Ubuntu. And we're going to just check. We click this down here, and we're going to go to Software Update and let it check. And we're going to go into Settings again, Additional Drivers. And it's installed. So that's how you install Nvidia drivers in Ubuntu. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.